Friends, everyone is at their home in this 21 days lockdown period and fighting against the pandemic coronavirus. So, here there are no maids at home. Everyone is doing household chores on their own. So, here I am, Dr. Disha Dedia, today to give a few tips and tricks on doing good posture while doing household work. A good posture allows you to do a better job. One out of three people suffer from back pain caused by lifting, bending, twisting, or pulling. Cleaning is often underestimated because when you are doing it the wrong way, your lower back can suffer badly and you end up wasting a lot of energy. When you are cleaning, posture is the most important factor. 5 general tips. When you are cleaning, avoid being in the same position for a long time. Try to occasionally stretch your back and fingers during cleaning or stand on your toes or bend over. Never lift anything with a curved back and straight legs. Kneel down and keep your back as straight as possible. Keep heavy objects as close to your body as possible and distribute the weight on both your feet. If you have to lift something heavy, ask someone else to help you. What's the most important thing to pay attention to you if you want to clean in a safe and healthy way so you can minimize complaints? Here we see vacuuming and cleaning. Keep your back straight. Always vacuum right in front of your body and stand up straight during vacuuming. Make sure your vacuum cleaner has a long handle, especially if you're tall. In case you have to carry the vacuum cleaner, always lift it up with a straight back. Do not apply excessive force. Make gently swirling movements. Move by shifting your weight from side to side. Use your lower hand as a guide and keep your elbows close to your body. Do not bend your wrist. Kneel down if you have to vacuum or sweep under a low cabinet or a table. Second, mopping the floor. Fill the bucket only halfway so it's not too heavy. The best thing is to place the bucket on a chair or something elevated so you don't have to bend over to rinse the mop. Dry a recently cleaned and wet floor carefully to avoid the danger of slipping. And just like vacuuming, keep your back straight. Do not apply excessive pressure. Create gentle movements. Dusting off. Again the same rule. Work as much as possible in front of your body when you are dusting off. When dusting lower places, slightly bend through your knees while keeping your back straight. Extra tip, do not try to reach high places by standing on a chair, but use proper steps or a ladder. Move the ladder every time it's necessary to move. Window cleaning. Make sure you do not have to stretch too far when you are cleaning your windows. Make short movements because this will make it less stressful for your shoulders and neck. Use a step ladder or a stepper for a higher window. Make sure it is stable. Work alternately with your right and left hand and be sure not to work too high above your head or just use a telescopic pole.